Hello, my name is Mayra Alejandra Forero. Travel itinerary. The Parque Nacional de Chicamocha is a place where you can go to enjoy a dark for all fun with your John family and where you can appreciate the beautiful mountains that surround the park is located via Bucaramanga to Bogotá in Departamento de Santander. During on the Suez, the idea is to take 3 days to be able to get a realidad de activities that you can do in el parque. Means of transportation. To get to the destination, you can add from your work temper science and car a bus. Activities to the prince time. You will be able to take a tour at the entry parque appreciate the different months and the history represented in its place. Same day, you will taste and cards from the Panache, Ciudad de Municipio, and Mesa de los Santos West will allow you to observe the lectures along the wet as well as the Huachicamocha River. Their day and then last day you will visit the ponds available for the whole family where you can enjoy your children and sponsor for adults and children. Place USDS place has square and Canterbury companies you can study 2 nights that you will be enjoy your stay in the park. Typical points. The park has a restaurant where you will find the delicious typical food in Santander. You can enjoy baked goat, roasted chicken, corn, arepa, hummus o de grey. Various are typical travel in Colombia. You can enjoy all dance for anti-AQs of 310,000 pesos for adults and 290,000 pesos for children and adults, not including the cost and transportations, since this depends on the place you travel to and the means and transportation that you. Thank you.